Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this reindeer applique, or you can make an ornament out of it. I use medium worsted yarn with an H hook. From ear to ear, it measures around 3 inches. You can make it bigger with a bigger hook or thicker yarn. Okay, the pattern is listed down below this video in the description. The link is there to go right to my website for the written pattern. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to start with the magic circle. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, there are I have a link for that if you don't know how to do the magic circle, and there's many videos on how to do it. So first you're going to slip stitch into the magic circle, then work 8 single crochet in the circle. Okay, for the red is for the nose, and I'm going to pull this the yarn tail to close it for the magic circle, and then I'm going to add brown with looping it in to the loop with the brown. So I'm doing a color change. Then I'm going to slip stitch in that beginning single crochet to start round 2. This will finish round 1. And then round 2 will be with brown yarn, and this is for the head. Chain 3, and then work double crochet in that same stitch as the chain 3. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches as well. Now work 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. And then work 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 single crochet in the next stitch again. And then 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. And then slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Chain 3. This is for round 3. Work a double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Two double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Two double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, two half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, two single crochet in the next, single crochet, two single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, two half double crochet, half double crochet, and then slip stitch on top of the chain 3, slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, chain 1, and then single crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, single crochet, and that creates the first ear. Slip stitch your new color in, loop your new color in for the antlers. So I'm using a light brown, then single crochet into the next stitch, chain 4, and then in the second chain, slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch into the second chain, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and slip stitch in the beginning stitch, and then you're going to do a color change. This is the first antler. Take your brown color again, that's the body color, and slip stitch. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, and then with the light brown again for the next antler, you're going to loop in the new color. And then chain 5, single crochet in the 4th chain, slip stitch into the 4th chain, and then chain 3, and then slip stitch in that same stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, slip stitch into the same stitch as the second chain, single crochet in the next stitch, and then slip stitch in the beginning, single crochet in the beginning there. That's the next antler, and then you're going to do your last ear. Loop in the brown color, and then chain 1, and then in the next stitch single crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch into the next stitch. This completes the last ear. Cut your yarn and pull through, and your reindeer is complete. Now all you need to do is cut your ends and weave in your ends in the back to hide them, and then you're finished. Okay, this completes the reindeer pattern. The written pattern is down below. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.